tell you some things me and my family did together this summer to decorate our room and our balcony. So this is the balcony. This is a birdhouse we made with cardboard. And of course, to attach it, we used a hot glue gun. My parents helped me with that. And these are some birds I drew. And then my mom helped me paint them. So this is our bedroom. This is the front. It says our name. And this is welcome. I made banners. This is our hallway. And then this is our room. So those are hexagon shelves. Those are some lights. Those are some banners that say me and my sister's name. Now that we're gonna go. Those are some birds made with cardboard. And this is everything. We didn't buy a single thing, well, except pushing pins. We didn't buy anything. Actually, this is like literally like you can get these lights at Walmart. They're pretty cute. Everything is at least made of cardboard or others. This is a birds. Me and my sister made them. That's our banners. This is our table. These are the butterflies I made. This is Toyland. I like to call it Toyland. It's full of toys. We literally put everything that we didn't need in here. Those are books and some old stuff. This is my sister's dollhouse. Now this is our room. It's our room. If you like my video, subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to click the bell. And which crafts do you like from here? Make sure to tell me in the comments below, and which ones you want me to make videos of. In the comments below. Oh, I just love it.